Converting Python code to shared object. I would like to prepare a shared object, .so, from a Python module. I came across Python which would first convert a Pix module to a C code, B, and then this C code would be converted to a shared object, .so. All the examples of Python then state how this so can be imported into Python. But, I am interested in reading this shared object from a C code. When I wrote a sample C code to read a so, it throws an error saying that the methods that are actually present in Pix are not present in the so object. I would like to know a. Whether is it possible to read the shared objects from Python from a different language such as C. B. And, if the above statement is true, what changes do I have to make in my code so that I would be able to read a shared object from C? Thanks. Python code, saved to square_number.pix. Corresponding setup.py file for Python. Command line statements for converting the above Pix to a so through Python. This would create a square_number.so in the same folder. Now, I rename this to lib_number.so. C code for reading the so, o. When I am trying to compile and build an executable from the above command, I am getting an error. Compilation of C code. Error?
Change square_number.pix to. After running the setup.py, it will generate the header file square_number.h. Include that in your main application. See below. Change your main function to something like While compiling this, make sure you link against libpython.so and lib_number.so. You will also need to take care of include directory search path for python.h by giving I flag to GCC. For more information, see this URL.
Converting bytecode to assembly does not involve C. It may involve classes which are called by C, or call other C classes in a C-like manner. But it is still bytecode or assembly respectively. You cannot reverse what never was. Use object-umptm to outline the classes, then if you still need to, convert those classes to C by hand, and be thankful we have Python to do that for us.
I do not remember the details of this. I may be able to give a more detailed answer later once I have. However, the basics are that Python puts the Python functions through a name mangling function before exporting the C-compatible SOs. Python then understands this same name mangling when it imports a Python module so can call the correct functions. What you need to do is use an so scanning library on the Python module to find out what the functions are actually called. To do this as a one-off, try running readelphi_python_so.so. This will provide a dump of the contents of the shared object including the function entry points and names the linker uses. You can then use these names to find the correct functions to call from your code. To automate this in your C code, you can use libelf instead.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.